dessert.
This is an egg?
Go. Bread egg.
Anya? It's hot. How was it?
Delicious!
How was it?
Good.
Good?
I like your happy face.
Can you get
Yummy food.
give Shobe one here one bite?
What? Okay. What? No, bite. French fries and hot dog.
Honey.
Honey.
Fermented honey. White powder, corn flour, corn
Yes,
starch.
yes.
Honey, very, very hard, like so. Okay. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Okay. I will make it 60,300 stretch. Make for here Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes.
Okay. Start stretch, little by little, slowly, little by little. Now honey was 3, right? Double A 2.
Yes.
2 double 4, 4 double 8.
Yeah.
8 plus 8, 60, 30, 32, 6, 64, 1. 1 to 8, 2, 2 P 6, 5. 512. Middle size 1024. Look at this, Jan.
Wow.
Wow. Oh mon Dieu.
Oh mon Dieu.
Oh yeah.
Nom de Dieu.
네, 2,000, okay. 4,006, 8,000. What do I took? Last count. 16,384 fresh.
Wow.
This is a Korean special dessert. Dragon spear.
Wow.
Outside honey. Next here. Inside 2 flavor. Inside 7 kind of nuts flavor. Kakao, chocolate, 2 flavor. Honey, nuts, chocolate, many pudding. Rolling. Delicious. C'est trop bon.
Très très bon.
Yeah.
Excellent.
1 box, 10 piece, 6,000 4 box. You can keep outside 1 month, expiry day, 1 month, no problem. Inside nuts and chocolate, but I can half and half. 1 box, 10 piece, 6,000. Korean special dessert. Dragon spear, yummy.
What are the flavors? Chocolate or?
This chocolate flavor and 7 different kind of nuts flavor. Almond, sesame, peanut, walnut, blackberry, black bean, all mix. 7 kind of nuts.
Okay.
Chocolate, 2 flavor. But I can half and half. Just nuts, just chocolate, okay?
Can I have half and half?
Thank you. Try. Good. Frozen is better. Taste better. Frozen more good. Crispy. Okay. Outside 1 month, frozen is 3 months. Sample. Hadia. Give me the hand. 1 bite. Nuts plate. 가짱. Oh, 1 box, 6,000. But maybe
Thank you.
if you buy 6 box, buy 1 piece.